My flowers were all in one patch. I moved them so they are not all next to each other. Now they look like this. I am watering them. What else should I do? And this is Charlie from Banbury, United Kingdom.
I know, I saw that.
You saw
and
it?
I saw
Did you see
his
it?
picture, and I'm just like, I want to cry because I thought, bless his heart, they're just too big to move. You know, they look like they were pretty tall plants, and I think the only thing he can do now is maybe cut them back.
Okay.
Just cut them back some and keep them not flooded with water, but don't let them get dry, obviously, because
Right.
they've got to regenerate, you know, more roots and kind of root in good.
Right.
But if there's some that could be cut back, I'd cut them back.
So you cut them back?
I would.
Okay.
I think I'd cut them back because they're pretty floppy.
Right.
They look like they have wilted and flopped.
Yeah.
Just from being transplanted, you know, at the wrong time, bless his heart.
Right.
He should have, if you want to transplant.
So yeah, what's the best time?
Well, early in the spring, they're small.
Okay.
The smaller, you know, if you can handle them, the smaller the better.
Okay.
You know, so the transplant shock is not so bad, and you know, it's early in the season,
Right.
and the sun's not so intense, and you know, you don't get such bad weather. But in the United Kingdom, I wonder where Banbury is. Did you look that
United
up?
Kingdom. Yeah, we need to look
Is that
that
like
up
a
next
coast
time.
or something?
Yeah, we need to look
I
that
don't
up next
know.
time.
But that's interesting. Yeah,
yeah.
I saw them, and I just thought, oh
Yeah, I was
my
like,
goodness,
that's-
maybe they'll recover.
I hope they will.
Yeah, I do too.
And I also wondered too, they look kind of wet to me.
Yeah,
Like,
they
might have
did.
been a
Yeah,
little too wet.
maybe flopped them over
Yeah,
with a
flopped 'em
water
over.
hose or something. Maybe they're going to
Yeah.
stand up. So
Yeah, so
just
good.
keep an eye on them.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.